No matter how small your garden, there's always room for hanging plants. Use any of these 9 best hanging plants to add color and interest to any porch, deck, balcony, or sunroom. 1. Supertunia petunias. Able to shed its old blooms on its own, this breed of petunia comes in many rich shades and will draw hummingbirds and butterflies to your porch. 2. Painted lady. Gorgeous two-toned foliage makes these little rosettes excellent, drought-resistant hanging plants for containers. Once established, they can tolerate extended dry periods. They generally flower in the warmer months. 3. Dwarf lavender. Any dwarf lavender will add not only its delicate purple shade to a basket but also its soothing scent. These sun-loving hanging plants will thrive near any window. You can't go wrong. 4. Lobelia. The delicate blooms and exquisite blues, purples, and whites of lobelia make it an excellent choice for everything from garden borders and window boxes to hanging plants perfect for your porch. Lobelia does best in part shade locations. 5. Impatiens. Although many impatiens are falling prey to downy mildew, by making them hanging plants, you can get them out of the ground and out of soil that could harbor the aggressive mold. If you plant them in containers, you can still enjoy the beautiful shades of one of America's favorite annuals. 6. Sedum morganianum. Commonly known as donkey tail, this long trailing succulent with vibrant green leaves will draw instant attention as hanging plants. Best grown in full sunlight with regular, moderate watering throughout the year, except in winter. 7. Chrysanthemum. A florist favorite, mums bring cold weather color to your patio as hanging plants. Try Maroon Pride for its deep fall shade or the fragrant pink Magnificent. 8. Fountain grass. Add dimension and texture to your basket with a dwarf fountain grass, such as Red Riding Hood. Give it full sun, and these low-maintenance hanging plants will reward you with a bountiful shape all year long. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.